After 3 years of building, my satin pillowcase and bonnet brand Oso Curly just got its first wholesale order of over 200 items, launching a new satin tie bonnet and our original reversible satin pillowcase and 2-in-1 pillowcase bonnet. In this new series, I'm taking you behind the scenes so you can see what actually goes into building a brand. In today's vlog, you're going to see me pack a wholesale order of over 200 items. This is going to be split into a few days because I could not do this whole order alone. So come with me for the real behind the scenes of running a product business brand who has just kind of relaunched into its new era. Our new satin pillowcases and bonnets come in these tubes, which are really good because they can be reused. That's why I wanted to go for this kind of style. Also have shout out to Vistaprint, these little satin care guides that are going to go inside of the tubes, just to share how customers should look after their bonnets and pillowcases for best results. So I need to put all of those into every single tube. I think there is about 200 and maybe 20 that I have to pack for this wholesale order, and I also have some for my own customers too. Before I pack, I do have a hair appointment, so I need to rush, head there, get my hair done, and then as soon as I am back, we are back to packing because I need to get this order packed today, and then I need to order the delivery to pick up 5 of these boxes full of the products to the retailer. Shout out to Kyo Beauty. They are going to be stocking our bonnets and pillowcases from now on, so you can shop from there and also direct to our website osocurly.com. So now that the stock has arrived, it's super important for me to communicate that with my customers, and the best way that I communicate with my customers is through email marketing. I use Omnisend. I've been using it for nearly a year now, and they are the sponsors of today's video. Let's go ahead and head into Omnisend and do some email marketing. Living with a chronic health condition means I have to be so intentional with my energy, and I can't be all people at all times. I've been prioritizing automations that allow my business to run even when I need to rest, and that's where Omnisend has been a lifesaver. Instead of me manually emailing customers about this restock, for example, I have automations set up that do it for me. When they have done certain triggers, like looked at a certain product on the website, this has made everything so much easier for me as a founder, knowing that my business is consistent even if I'm not consistently doing the work. So I've just scheduled those emails to go out, and I will monitor any sales that come in, any open rates, click rates, and analyze that to move forward in my next campaigns. I have found email marketing to be my best way of marketing. Social media is really good for brand awareness, but to gain sales, email marketing is top for me and my business. So I highly recommend you look into email marketing. I will leave the link for Omnisend and my code on the screen and down below, and also you can scan the QR code on the screen. Right now we're working with 5 boxes of inventory. I managed to pack all of this with the help of my mom, and inside we have inner boxes and also some loose product. Here is what our retail version of our pillowcases and bonnets in store is going to look like. I had to add this sticker last minute, but I think in future orders I'll get some retail friendly packaging, so like a box with a cutout and you can see what the color is and what the fabric feels like. This is just, you know, how it goes sometimes when you're starting fresh. So we'll see how things progress. These items are actually going to Romford in London, I guess maybe Essex, you could say, into the store Kyo Beauty on both their online retail side of things and their in-store side of things. So here you can see the inner boxes and they have some names. I've put it in groups of 8 because 8 tubes could actually fit within the one inner box. Altogether, the 200 100 and something items did fit into 5 large boxes. Now that the wholesale boxes are packed and ready to go, I need to do the labels for them, and for that you're probably going to need these document holders, which are like clear envelopes you can stick on the outside of the box. You could put in any kind of labels that the courier tells you to print, and I also want to include like a packing slip that tells the person that's opening the boxes what's inside. So we're going to create that and then print that, and we're also going to print the labels that the courier gives me for collection, because your girl, my days of picking up boxes, putting them in my car and driving to the place are over. So we're going to get them to come and collect the boxes. Okay, as an endo girly, I need to protect my peace and my energy and my health, so we're not going to do that this time around. Also, for our pre-orders, new thank you cards have just arrived. These are going to go in our new shipping boxes too, which I'm super excited about. This is our new shipping box for all online orders. It has our logo at the top and space for the shipping label. On the inside, we have a new design as well. So it's all white, and then it has the pink Oso Curly logo, a cute caption which says unbox your curls with us. Unboxing curls is like a social media trend at the moment, where you show what your curls look like the next morning when you take off your bonnet. So I thought that would be quite relevant for the time that we're in. I'm gonna go ahead and start packing and preparing this order, and we'll just get right into it. So that is the end of today's vlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Comment down below what you enjoyed the most about today's vlog, so I will include more of that in my future ones. Subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.